Hingað er komið til mín Ken Winba. Winba. Ken Winba. Hann er hér. Og hann kemur frá Elo.
Thank you. All right. Fantastic turnout. Thank you for having us, Edico, and thank you for staying awake so long by this death of PowerPoint. So, Ken Winbeck, I'm the channel manager for Elo Touch Solutions. A show of hands, who knows about Elo since before? Wow, I've done a fantastic job. Next presenter. So, Elo Touch started at 50 years ago with the invention of the touchscreen. It's our baby. And we are one of the largest providers of components within touch. And ever since then, we have grown to be a complete solution provider of touch-related products. And our products are being used by most of the largest retailers around the world, also in manufacturing and other verticals like healthcare and so on. So the goal of the company is really to be a one-stop shop for touch-related products. So we have products that is from 5-inch up to 65-inch in different flavors. So if you're a retailer, you're looking for a POS system, a mobile device, price checker, or you're driving a restaurant chain and you're looking for kitchen displays and stuff like that, we have you covered. In the warehouse space, you see our products mostly in line production, workbenches, as mentioned with the data logic, but also the mobile terminals is becoming more and more important for us. So, at Elo, we have two different platforms that we keep within computing power. So we have the Wintel track, which is now 2.5 years old, and we have the Android track. So with Android, we did a recent refresh at a complete new lineup. So we have all-in-one series, we have a backpack, and we also have mobile terminals, which I will show you later. In the all-in-one space, the I-Series is our top-selling product. It comes in 3 sizes, 10, 15, and 22. And around the corners, you have something called Edge Connect. So if we go back to the rendering of the retail environment, if you're looking for a self-checkout or a restaurant, a QSR, or something like that, you can build your solution with the peripherals that we also offer. So price checker might want to opt for a barcode scanner. If it's a self-checkout, status light and barcode scanner, and maybe a EMV cradle or something. So the possibilities with this product is endless. Also, timestamp applications is very popular nowadays. We also introduced something called the Slate, which is the iPad killer. Same kind of hardware in the inside, but you have aluminum casing, and it's much thinner than the normal Edge I-Series. And it doesn't have Edge Connect because of the aluminum casing. So this is thought to be, for the retailers that needs to have a sleek design, point of information application, something like that. And also with the new POS that we have over here, you have a fashionable POS terminal with Android interface. The backpack is our Android media player. So when the fixed sizes does not cover your needs, you need to have a larger display or you need to have a non-touch monitor or something, then you get the Elo Android interface from this box. So it can be matched to a 32-inch, a 65-inch, if you're doing a touch table or something like that, with the complete same internals as the I-Series and the Slate that's presented before. So it's really a nice kind of product. We see a lot of need from retailers who has done signage, investment in signage like 3 or 4 years ago. The panels are still good, but they want a modern interface, and then they roll out the backpack instead to drive content with a new, more powerful platform. A new thing for Elo is that we entered the mobile enterprise mobility segment. So we have introduced a 5.5 enterprise device. It's running the Qualcomm 660, which is kind of like the branch standard nowadays. And you have all the peripherals that you might need from this type of device. like the pistol grip, you have the cradles, payment cradle is coming, but now we see more like soft POS applications, so you do payment on NFC on these type of device instead. The other type of mobile device we introduced is the M60. And this is completely new for us because it also involves payment from our side. So this is a level 2 certified hardware right now. It can, as the image is showing, you can process chip, you have NFC on the glass, and you have magnetic stripe reader in the bottom. So this can be found with a barcode scanner on the back or without. And the really cool thing about this is that we're also offering a POS cradle, so next generation POS, where you can have a fixed to mobile station, basically. So imagine this in your store. You have the M60 facing the customer, but also driving the POS application and showing a different screen on the cashier side. So a lot of possibilities and unique offering from our side. Last but not least, yesterday we announced a new Wallaby Stand. This is the retail QSR push that we're getting from the US and all the other major markets. They want to have a sleek design, but also a lot of mounting opportunities. So you have the back-to-back mounting, you have wall mount, which we didn't have before in our previous version. And you can also have a ceiling pole power. And yeah, if you want to know more, want to know some information about the Windows platform and everything like that, I'm over here. So just come over and yeah. Thank you.